guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know I told you guys that I probably wasn't going to do a Rite-Aid video this week, but guess what I have for you today? A Rite-Aid video. And the reason why I went ahead and decided to go ahead and do one is, number one, because I just recently did the little Rite-Aid bonus cash challenge that they had going on, and I actually completely forgot about that challenge. I signed up for some challenges and I completely forgot about it, and then Rite-Aid just recently added the bonus cash to our accounts, and I didn't complete that many challenges. I had like, I think I only got like $11.75 back in bonus cash, and so when I checked my account I saw that, and so that's one reason. The second reason is because I don't know if you guys received these right here in your mail, but I don't know exactly what you call these. I don't know if you would call these like a Walgreens coupon booklet or something, but I receive these in the mail all the time. I want to say about every month, if not every month, every other month. And so it has right here, as you can see, it has like $15 worth of coupons in it. When I open it up, you can see some coupons right here. And then also in this little blank space that you can see right there, that is where I had a coupon. And then sometimes that coupon will say like you can get $4 off of a $20 purchase, $3 off of a $20 purchase, but for me this time I had a coupon that said that I can get $6 off of a $30 purchase. So what I did was I used that coupon along with my bonus cash that I had, and I looked back through the ad and just put together some deals with some things that I know that I can use in the house. Here I'm going to show you guys what all I have. So if you guys are interested in seeing what all I got, what coupons I used, then just keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so this is my little haul from Rite-Aid. I am going to go over each item, let you know what the prices are, let you know what coupons I used. So as you can see, I have 2 boxes of these Fruit Loop marshmallow cereal. I have 2 bags of cheddar cheese ruffles back here. I have 2 of these real strawberry lemonade juices here, and I did drink a little bit of it because they looked so good in the store, and so I came home and I just took a little sip. So I have 2 of those. I also have 2 of these real lemonade juices, and right here pictured, you only see 3, but I actually purchased 4 of these. And then right here I have 2 of the Wick scented oil packs right here. And then I have 3 cases of drinks. I have Coca-Cola, Sprite, and root beer. I have 3 packets of Trident gum. I have 2 of these packages of Now and Laters, and only 1 is pictured here, but I did purchase 2 of these little Mamba chewy candies. Now I purchased these Now and Laters for myself because I haven't had Now and Laters in so long, you guys, but I can't even eat them. You want to know why? Because your girl got braces, and I don't want to risk breaking a bracket right now because my orthodontist office is not open, and I don't think they're going to be open until May. So the first thing that we are going to talk about are the 2 boxes of Kellogg's Fruit Loop cereal. So these are priced, select Kellogg's cereal are priced this week at Rite-Aid for $1.99. I did print a $1 off of 2 Kellogg's cereal from kellogg's.com. I think the website is kellogg'srewards.com. I will have it linked on the screen for you guys, and I will also have it in the description box just in case you guys would like to go and print off a coupon. So both boxes at $1.99 each. That brings my total to $3.98. Minus the $1 off coupon that I used, it brings my total down to $2.98 for both boxes, or $1.50 each, which is a decent price for some cereal. The second thing that I have over here are these Ruffles cheddar cheese chips over here. So these are priced at 2 for $5 this week at Rite-Aid, and I just grabbed 2 of those, but they are also a part of a bonus cash promotion. So those, along with Sprites and other select products, when you spend $15 you will receive back $3 in bonus cash. And so with me getting these plus the chips, it equaled up to a little bit over $15, and so I was able to get the $3 in bonus cash back, and so that's why I got that. The next two items that I have this real strawberry lemonade, and this just looked so good in the store, and these are priced at $1. So I grabbed 2 of those, and I also grabbed 2 of the regular real lemonades, also $1. Right here you only see 3 pictured, but I purchased 4 of these Arizona kiwi strawberry juice cocktails, because the deal is buy 4 for $2, which will make them 50 cents each, which is normally what they cost anyway. And so I went ahead and grabbed 4 of those with the cans of drinks right here. So I have a cherry Coke, a Sprite, and a root beer. So these are priced at 3 for $10.99 or $3.66 each. And as I said, these are a part of the spend 15 get $3 in bonus cash. So these 3 were priced at $10.99 plus the $5 right there, so that's over $15. So I was able to get the $3 in bonus cash from that. Right here I have 3 packages of Trident gum. I have the spearmint flavor, the tropical twist, and I have the cinnamon flavor here. So these are priced at 3 for $3 this week at Rite-Aid. There is a $1 off of 3 load to card coupon that I had clipped to my account that I used on these. So 3 for $3 minus the $1 off coupon makes them 3 for $2, or just 66 cents each, which is a really nice price for this Trident. I do plan to go back to Walmart and use my other 2 accounts to go ahead and get a total of 6 more of these. And then right here I have 2 packages of nail laters, 1 picture of the Mamba pieces of candy, but I did purchase 2 of these, and so they were just priced at 77 cents each, and so I just grabbed 2 nail laters and 2 Mambas. And so right here I have 2 of these Wick scented oils. Now I was just browsing around the store and I actually came across this deal right here. So both of these are on clearance. We're on clearance for $3.49. There is a $5.50 off load to card coupon that is on the Rite-Aid app. So $3.49 times 2 is $6.98. With me using that load to card digital coupon, $5.50 off, that brought the total down to just $1.48 for both, or just 75 cents each, which is an amazing price for this, you guys. Also, if you wanted to stock up more, I was actually planning to grab more of these, but my store only had these 2 that were on clearance, so I just grabbed both of those. But if you were looking to stock up, you can use the load to card coupon along with this coupon right here. And this is a coupon that I printed from coupons.com. I actually printed 2 because the maximum amount of the same coupon that you can print from coupons.com is 2. And it says $5.50 off of any 2 Wick scented oil twin refills. And as you can see, the expiration date, it doesn't expire until May 1st. So you have a lot of time to use this coupon. So like I said, check your stores and see if you can find these on clearance for $3.49. Use this coupon, purchase 2, and you will pay only 75 cents per pack. So that is pretty much it for this entire transaction. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys my receipts. So right here, as you can see, so those are both of the Wick twin Wicks. They both did ring up at $3.49. As you can see right here, the $5.49 load to card coupon did come off. You have the nail layers and the little Mamba candy. All 4 of those did ring up at 77 cents. And then you have both boxes of Fruit Loop. They rung up at $1.99. And here is the $1 off manufacturer coupon that I used. And then you have the both strawberry and the regular lemonade. I purchased 4 of those at $1. They rung up at $1. And then here are the 2 bags of Ruffles. They were 2 for $5, so $2.50 each. And then here is the Trident gum. I did purchase 3 for $3. They all rung up for that price. And then here's the load to card $1 off coupon that I used, making them 66 cents each. And then here are the Arizona kiwi strawberry juices. They all four of them did ring up at 50 cents. And then right here, this $6 coupon, which is the coupon that I was explaining to you guys that I got in the mail, that coupon came off with no problems. And then here are the 3 sodas, 3 for $10.99. They basically rung up at $3.66 each. So as you can see, it brought my overall subtotal to $25.54. I did use $11.75 in bonus cash, and I did get my $3 back in bonus cash for spending $15. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this. I think this is a pretty decent haul because everything I have here we will be using. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards, you guys. I think on this, when I submitted this receipt, I think I got like 50 points back. If I can find a screenshot, I will put a screenshot up. And I think I got 25 points for each bag of Ruffles chips. So don't forget to scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have the link in the description box below. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points. And I will also receive 2,000 points. I'll also have my code on the screen for you guys. Let me know in the comment sections if you guys have any questions. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you guys are not subscribed to me, I would really appreciate you guys subscribing. If you are not following me on Instagram, I will have my link in the description box below. And I will also have my Instagram name on the screen for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. And with that being said, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.